Morning. It is 4:45 in the morning and perfect time to make the perfect breakfast. So put that down there like that. How to make the perfect breakfast. Definitely need the weighing scale and you need your glass dish just like that. Turn on the weighing scale. Get the first ingredient. Chia seed. How much chia seed do you need? You need 10 grams of chia seed, not 11 grams, not 9 grams, 10 grams. Okay, you put the chia seeds in the bottom there and you get ingredient number 2. Ingredient number 2 is the oatmeal. Okay, how much oatmeal do you need? 80 grams of oatmeal, not 81, not 79. Obviously I'm going up to 90 grams here because I've got the 10 grams of chia seed in there. Okay. Ingredient number 2, H2O. You probably know it as water. I'm going to add 310 grams of water. It's going to take me up to a total of 400 grams in the glass bowl. Just open up this fresh bottle. And I've got a bit over there. I've got a little bit over, but that's okay. A little bit of extra water, extra hydration. Right, I'm going to put this into the microwave on maximum power for, I'm going to put a bit of extra water in. I'm going to put it in for 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Alright, turn off the weighing scale, save on the power. Whilst the oatmeal is cooking, get ourselves ingredient number 4, kiwi. We cut off the ends of the kiwi. Like that. Start to take off the skin, and it's a bit of a race against the microwave. Who is going to win? But don't go too quickly, otherwise you'll, well, could be dangerous, and you'll cut too much of the kiwi fruit off. It's a delicate balance. Incidentally, the microwave is humming along in the background there. Sets up a standing wave inside the microwave, which you will know is a reflection of the outgoing wave and the reflected wave, which interfere and superimpose. And standing waves have nodes and antinodes, regions of maximum displacement and minimum displacement. And so, you know, you might notice when you cook something in the microwave, there'll be regions that are very hot and regions that are not so hot. And now you know that is due to the part of the food being at the antinode, maximum displacement of the microwave standing wave, or being at the node, almost zero displacement of the microwave standing node. I'm going to slice the kiwi into 2mm wide slices. Okay. And this kiwi is probably not as ripe as I would ideally like for the perfect breakfast. There's nothing I can do about that. Still got another 1 minute and 35 seconds left on the microwave. So ingredient number 5, an additional ingredient for 2023 is the walnut. Walnuts are good for the brain because they look like brains. Well, went a bit overboard on the pressure there. Just using the advantages of torque here with my walnut cracker, increasing the perpendicular distance to the pivot so that I don't need to apply as much force to crack my walnut. Okay. So just separate out the walnut from the shell. Got that off. The microwave's nearly done. And now you can see the completely cooked through oatmeal, and the chia seeds as well have soaked nicely in the water. Chia seeds, of course, one of the highest fiber content per gram of any food. That's why many people consider chia seed to be a superfood. We can move that along there like that so we can see how we place the kiwi. And it's a little bit, you know, like tiling a house, or I don't know, putting pepperoni on a pizza. We're going to put it on, put the kiwi on flat like that. And the advantage of using a shallow dish like this rather than a, you know, a bowl is that when you eat the world's perfect breakfast, in one spoon you get all of the ingredients. You get the kiwi, you get the walnut, you get the blueberry, which I'm going to add, you get the chia seed, which are at the bottom, don't forget. That is the advantage. So we place the kiwi on there like that. Then perhaps a favourite ingredient, okay, the blueberry, and we just go with the shake technique here to try and get a random distribution. It's a little bit like sprinkling iron filings onto a piece of paper placed over a bar magnet, but of course I don't get the bar magnet field shape with the blueberries on oatmeal and kiwi for obvious reasons. There's no strong magnetic field. I was going to say no magnetic field, but of course there is a magnetic field due to the Earth's magnetic field, but that is not strong enough to align my blueberries up all facing to the north. Of course, there's no ferrous material inside blueberry that I'm aware of, so. But I digress. We move on to, as I said, this new 2023 ingredient, the walnut. And break them up into similar sized pieces as the blueberry. I don't particularly want massive chunks of walnut on my breakfast. And at this stage, I've got a bit more walnut there, I'm pretty much set to go. Just give you a close up there of the breakfast. Place the lid on, into the fridge. Prefer to eat my oatmeal cold. So, well done. That is the world's perfect breakfast. Give it a try yourself. Let me know how you get on in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on your notifications. I'll see you next time.